What is going on, everybody? My name is Robert Watkin and welcome back to another tutorial. In this one I'm going to be showing you how to download any thumbnail from any YouTube video you want. This can also be thumbnails which are the pre-generated ones by YouTube. So let's say a channel hasn't, for instance, put on a custom thumbnail and they've just put on one of the default ones that YouTube picks, then you can also download them. But whichever one you download, it will only be the one which the video is actually set to. So if the video has got a custom thumbnail, you're not going to be able to download the predetermined, pre-made ones by YouTube. As you can see, we are on YouTube here on my homepage. We've got a bunch of these flip phones, foldable phones. So let's say I want to go with this Marquise Brownlee video here and we want to get that thumbnail. We're going to click on the video here itself. Pause that. We don't need to actually watch it. You'll see up here we've got the URL and we've got the video ID. So the video ID comes after the watch V equals. So anything after that equals, you want to get that. So select it and then press Ctrl C to copy the ID, and then you want to go to this link which I will leave in the description below. You want to copy that to another browser or another window and you'll get this. You should get this little 3-dot image, and what you're going to want to do is go up to here where it says ID and you're going to paste in the video ID you've got using Ctrl V like so, and then when you press enter you will have the thumbnail in HD. Now to download this image, what you want to do is simply right click on the video, or sorry, right click on the image and click save image as, and then you have the ability to save it where you want. Let's click save here and we can see that then if I click on this, it has downloaded to my computer and I've got the image and I can do what I want with it pretty much now. Not that I'm going to do anything with that image, but you might want to do stuff. So yeah, that's how you do that. That's how you download thumbnails. So if you did find this video helpful, then please leave a like. If you want to see any more tutorials, then subscribe to my channel, and if there's anything you want to see in particular, then just tell me in the comments below. I'm always happy for suggestions. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video of whatever I make. Goodbye.